Okay, so Honorable Director Professor L.K. Avasti, Head of the Department Dr. A.K. Chaudhary, Course Coordinator Professor Vinay Midda, faculty members, students and dear participants. A very good evening to all of you. So now we have come to the last leg of the faculty development program on textile design sponsored by Atal Academy. This FDP focused on various aspects of textile designing, covering basics to the latest developments happening in the area. It is mandatory for one to know the basis in order to satisfy the purpose of research and establish an acceptable conclusion. The Department of Textile Technology conducted this 5-day faculty development program on textile design to create and disseminate the knowledge of the various aspects in the specific fields of designing, apart from generating new knowledge and technologies useful for mankind. The objectives of the FDP was to introduce the participants to the world of textile design and give an insight into how and where it can be used. The FDP proved to be an eye-opening session and also aimed at imparting skills required to handle different tools and technologies that are useful for designing. The entire process of designing this FDP intended to orient the participants towards developing their own research plan, paying due attention to every stage of designing research. The sessions were very well handled by the renowned professors and industry personnel from reputed institutions and industry. And before we proceed further, I would like to have the feedback of the participants and any suggestions that they have to make regarding this activity. So I would request one by one if you can give your feedback and suggestions. Dr. Chetram, we can start with you.
Yeah, good evening, all of you. Is I audible to all of you?
Yes.
Yeah, good evening. Kanan, I'll present here. So, like at the point of the feedback, because before the feedback, because as we, I also attended that box program earlier, also with that NIT Jalendra also, that was organized by the Lalit Jajpura sir and the Vinay Medha sir also last year. So I'll just say like in this online faculty development program also, as I see like the organizing committee that because of due to the online, everything is planned very well and is without any technical glitches also, as we see over here also, and that like the content wise also is very well planned in terms of like because the participants are from the design institutes also, technical institutes also, and they're also maybe from the other institutes also, but the content wise if you'll see the input wise, it's also useful all of you for the everyone, because as I see there are the few inputs, as I'll say the like the in terms of that design point of view, if I'll say the khadi, because that khadi, as we know, the natural fibers and all is using in the every field, but there is how to be promoted. So as there was the one expert was there by the khadi denim perspective, so that it's the various applications how it can be used in terms of designs, the patterns and all. There also the in terms of the technology point of view also, if you'll see over here, like because as we know that advancement of the technology is too good, but the thing is also what are the limitations we are facing nowadays as the microfibers or maybe nanotechnology and all, but that how we can be tackle, how it can be so that input is like the small things are also covered over here, like as if I say the personally as my point of as the technical field, but I'm learning the things over here. So as I said, the hemp, because earlier I was know that the hemp is a fiber that but why is it? Because it is a like marijuana that I was not aware, but came to know why it was banned earlier. So there are so many things that we had learned from over here. How like industry everything is completely informative and interesting without any problem. So that I'll say that this kind of that like the faculty development programs, it is happening every time, and it's also really helpful for everyone. So I will congratulate that the organizing committee also and all the members, especially the Monica ma'am, Vinay Mehta, and Mr. Veddi called me and they said, but I also say over here, like, because as we know, because due to the online, and also I understood by that because as online courses are going on in that institute and by the online, but as we see the as a participants in this FDP, most of that participants are just logging and just going off. So as we see in today's in that question paper, because the things are like, if we are not attending, then we are not able to answer the things. So it's really like, when it will take the benefit of whatever the things are happening over here, then this is really helpful for us. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Chetram. Thank you for your kind words for us. We can have the next participants if anybody wants to give a feedback.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon, Dr. Janmay.
So first of all, I congratulate the entire team. That is very learning and informative session from NIT Jalandhar, and I really enjoyed one session of the Vinay sir and clothing comfort by the Nida sir, Apurva sir. And the best part is that of this all the session is that the workshops are very relevant for me, as I am the also textile faculty, and very easy learning and very comprehensive. And all the faculty trainers are very expert in their area. And some part I really like one of the already mentioned by Dr. Chetram, that khadi part and the clothing comfort part, that is really interesting me. So I congratulate the entire team for this very good FDB program for the all the faculty members and the industry person. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes, Dr. Himanshu, would you like to say something?
Can I say something?
Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah.
Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. Agyapreet this side from Pai. So I want to say that this FDP was very interesting and inspiring. It has covered all the aspects, starting from the traditional textile to the use of CAD and CAM. So it has not only inspired us to do research in following areas, but also given us motivation how to inspire our students to work in particular areas. And I also look forward for more such events so that NIT Jalandhar should conduct. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Agyapreet. Anybody else who would like to say something? Okay, so now I would request the head of the department, Dr. A.K. Chaudhary, to say a few words.
Thank you, ma'am. I heartily welcome today's chief guest, Dr. L.K. Awasthi, for this valedictory function organized on the completion of 1 week FDP course on textile design. The more than 150 faculty members from different colleges and universities of Pan India participated in this AICTE Atal course organized by our Department of Textile Technology, NIT Jalandhar. The eminent resource person who interacted with the participants in the course during the last 5 days are Dr. Apurva Das, IIT Delhi, Poonam Agrawal, Director NIP Mohali, Dr. Sita Chai, University of Thailand, and Mr. Amit Mittal, Director Tax Card India Solution Limited. And on especially Mr. Mittal delivered a lecture on current topics, application of CAD/CAM in designs. So I think this was very fruitful and useful to all our participants. And I'm quite sure that this course must have enhances all technical knowledge and clear concepts on textile design to all our participants, especially faculty member of various universities. And lastly, I request to all the participants to upload their suggestion and feedback form on AICTE Atal website about this course, so that the department may improve upon the design and conduct of the courses in coming time. So at the end, I express our gratitude to our Honorable Director, Dr. L.K. Awasthi sir, and also to all coordinator, Dr. Vinay Middaji and Dr. Monica Madam, for all the efforts made for the grand success of this course, online course, FDP course, and hoping for again preferring to join this course of the department in future. This is my submission to all participants. Suppose our department is going to offer another course or in future any FDP course, so I request to all the participants to prefer our course. So thanks to all participants for sparing time in this course for this 5-day course. Thank you. Thanks to all. Thanks to Dr. Our director sir, and thanks to coordinator. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thanks to all.
Thank you, Dr. Chaudhary. So I would now request our Honorable Director, Professor L.K. Awasthi, to express his views on this day. Sir, please.
Professor Vinay Midha, Dr. Chaudhary, the head of the department, Dr. Sika, the faculty, deans, head of departments, and dear participants. It's my pleasure to be here on validative function of this online FTP, Atal Academy FTP on textile design. And as already told, we started with around 39 such courses in parallel under Atal Academy. And it is just excellent seeing so many people getting trained online. As Dr. Chaudhary has given the galaxy of people, I think they are the best people available in textile design. They have been brought in for the benefit of all participants. I understand that this could have been a very good learning online platform for all the participants in spite of COVID-19 threats. And this has become the new normal, that all such meetings, etc., you can sit at your places and you can attend. NIT Jalandhar has been frontier in delivering in all ways, not only imparting quality technical education, having quality research initiatives, and then patent filing, design, and including these faculty development programs, workshop, international, national conferences since many years. And it is the impact and the quality of the work which has been done that the institute is going to be getting a international recognition. I congratulate all the faculty members, student staff for their tireless efforts to bring this institution to a next level. And for all the participants, I wish that they will continue working in textile design and they will come up with new solutions for textile design. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. No event can happen without the provision of a vast network of people. And I would like to submit our gratitude to all who were involved in conducting this 5-day faculty development program. Firstly, we are grateful for the cooperation and contribution of the speakers who actually agreed to be a part of this program and shared their valuable knowledge with the participants. Our heartfelt gratitude to our worthy director for being a constant source of motivation and support for conducting such programs time to time. We are very fortunate to have such a dynamic personality as the head of our institution. We want to extend our generous thanks to the head of the department, Dr. A.K. Chaudhary, for the entire support provided during the program. A special thanks to my associate Smriddhi Garg for her untiring efforts during the course. Last but not the least, we must remark a proficient sense of gratefulness to all our participants for being a part of the program and making it an interactive learning experience. Hope the program was fruitful and beneficial for you all, and we will try to keep coming back with such initiatives in the future too. Thank you very much. Thank you. So Dr. Midha, if you have anything to add on to?
Yeah, you already have covered. I'm thankful to all the speakers who spared time to be part of this program, and all the participants who have attended this particular program. I hope this program has been beneficial for all of you, and we'll try to improve further as per the suggestions and the feedbacks. If you have anything to give, that you can write through the mail also and on the Airtel portal also. They will be incorporated in the next programs. Further, the certificates, as you all must be aware by now, the certificates will be online available to you after you complete your feedback, and the attendance requirements and the marks of the course test will be filled by the coordinators on the portal itself. Thank you once again for being a part of this program.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I would like request you because it's like kind of the suggestion, because as we see like because the PPTs we are received on the mail, but it could be possible that is uploaded in that Atal website also, and the recordings, because if it's required, then the recording also can be referred in the future reference. And
yeah, Dr. Chetran, the recordings are already uploaded on the YouTube channel of the institute, and the link is provided on Atal portal. That is already there. That is a requirement from the Atal side. We have to give the link and upload them on the YouTube channel.
Okay, sir, I will check it, because when I check that is I didn't find out over there, so that's why I'm asking.
No, they will be uploaded for this program. They are yet to be uploaded.
Okay, then that is great, sir. That would be great, sir. Yeah. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
So thank you, Professor L.K. Awasthi, our Honorable Director, for sparing your time, sir, for us. Thank you so much, and thanks to all the participants. Thank you.
Thanks to all. Thanks, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Yeah.
Yeah.